hello everyone. Welcome to Sudhakar's Codeverse YouTube channel. Okay, in the last part we had studied about conditional statements, what is if condition, and we had studied about the loops, for loops, while loops and all, and we had studied some problems, whatever they are, like positive, negative, how to solve these problems, like in if condition, how to use if condition and solve this problem. Whenever I give a number, it is positive, it is negative, or it is zero, which one it is, we have to find out. So we had used a if loop for the sum the numbers, we had used a for loop, and we have sum the numbers from 1 to 10. Then we have talked about the range, what is range, how range works, how in range we have start, stop and step. Okay, in this manner we had solved some Fibonacci numbers problem, how the Fibonacci works and all other things, and how break works, how continue works, then again how vowels count. Okay, in this step we studied about the conditional statement. Okay, as last part I had told, we will be moving on to the functions. Okay, let me make a new file for functions. Function dot py. Okay, as I told, it should be small letter. Let me make it as func, it would be nice. Okay, as it is function. Okay, today the topic is about functions. Okay, what is functions? Functions is not about our day-to-day lives where in our family if there is any function we will go, that's not a function. Okay, here it is, whole scenario. Function is nothing but we can say it's a machine. What we can say it is a machine. Why machine? Because we can use the machine whenever we want, and it is reusable. Okay, like fan is one type of a machine where water motor, for whenever the water tap is on, we can say that there is a machine. Whenever we want, we tap it on, whenever we want, we close it. Okay, in this step we can say functions is nothing but a machine. Okay, and functions also allow you to organize and reuse a code effectively. Okay, how it is used I will be saying on you, and they are nothing but a building blocks in structural programming. Okay, they are building blocks of structured programming. Okay, programming, these functions are very much important. Once you understand the functions, it is very much clear for the programmers to write a code. Okay, once you know about the functions, syntax and all other things, you will get to know further. Okay, let me go through the function syntax for you now. Okay, for functions will be written in Python. Def is used. Def is a keyword. Okay, here we give function parameter. Okay, we give function parameters, and inside we give parameters. Okay, and we give a semicolon. We give a semicolon and we return a value. Okay, in this step, here it comes a function, and inside this bracket we give a parameters, and here we return a value. Okay, this is a main syntax of a function in Python. Okay, now let us use how it works. You will understand. See, let me delete this terminal. Okay, with one example, let me run and show you a function. Okay, let me comment the syntax and def. Great. Okay, I told function name is great. As of now I will not pass any parameters, and I will say print this is nice. Welcome to functions is very much nice. Okay, let me execute and see. Okay, let me execute the function. Okay, to execute the Python program, I told Python func.py. Okay, the output is not coming. I had given a print and greet is the function name, and I written why it is not coming. Okay, whenever the syntax I had told function name is greet, parameter means we can send anything and we can return a value. But we have created a function, but we have not started that function. Okay, what I'm going to say, we have created a machine, but we have not started it. To start it, we have to call it, right? So I will call it as greet. Okay, once I have called. Now if I run, here you can see hello, welcome to functions. Okay, whenever you do a machine, in that whatever you want, you put on features, but to start that you have to have some key or something. No, in this manner greet is nothing but we are calling the function. Okay, here we are calling the function. Okay, here we are calling the function, and this whole part is what we can say it as a machine. Okay, this is was all about the functions. Okay, in functions, what are arguments, what are keylogs, what are other things, I will be going on saying now. Okay, this is a major part. Once you understand this, it's very easy to further go on in the process. Okay, now let me comment that. And okay, all of you understood about the functions. Okay, next, what are arguments and return values in functions, I will be saying on it. Okay, now def add numbers. Okay, I will give two parameters a and b, and I will say return a plus b. Okay, and in some variable like add, in that I will hold a equal to, I will hold. Okay, result I will hold 5, 10 to number and print result. Okay, what it is I will be saying you all. Okay, see here I have created a machine. In that machine I told a and b are two parameters. Okay, and I am saying return a plus b. Whenever you return something, we have to put the whole function in some variable and we have to print it. Okay, what like this only if I print it, what it will happen? If you want to know, means see, first let me execute this and show you. Now here what is the output? Here you see 5 plus 10, 5 plus 10 is 15. How it is working, and number is a function name. So I have taken here two parameters a and b. So I have given 5 and 10 two parameters. I told it return 5 plus 10. So it is returning 5 plus 10. What it is? 15. The output it is 15. Okay, what I told earlier, whenever you are returning something, we have to store it in some variable and print the function. Okay, what if I print like this only? If anyone's question is there, means you can check it. Okay, if it prints, so okay, it will print. Okay, nothing. In some scenarios, what it will happen, it will give an error. Okay, now as of now it is printing. When it will come error, that time I will say why it was giving the error. Okay, we can print in this type also, we can print in this type also. Okay, this was a major function add to numbers problem. Okay, now we will be moving on to the next part of the function. Okay, in this one thing I had left you to see here, these are what a and b are parameters. What are these? These are arguments. Parameters are nothing but when you give inside the function whatever you want parameters. Arguments are when you are calling, you have to give that parameters arguments. What that function want to do, what parameters, what arguments I want to pass. Okay, in that manner the function will be working. So these are whatever 5 and 10 are there, these are nothing but arguments. Okay, these are nothing but arguments. What are these both? These A and B are nothing but parameters. Okay, A comma B is parameters and 5 comma 10 is argument. Okay, in this manner everyone have understood. I think so. Okay, now you all understood about arguments and return values. Okay, now what are default arguments, how they are being set. Okay, default arguments is nothing but allow a function to use default value if no argument is provided. Whatever I said now, if you did not understood means I will say you. Okay, def. Okay, greet will take and name will take default. We have set a parameter Elisa. Okay, default parameter I have set here and I have to print if I will say hello and I will call the parameter. Okay, I will call the parameter. Okay, fine. Once by giving I will call it, one by giving I will call it. Oh, it is working, you can see it. See now, let me change it as guest. Okay, and here we will give the name. Okay, now if I give how it works. Okay, syntax error, semicolon was not there. Okay, see, hello Alisa. You are, if anyone are confused, don't be confused. I will be clearing your doubts. See what I had, and greet a function. Okay, in this what I had parameter I had set name equal to what, guest. Okay, in print whatever I am saying hello, whatever the name is in, everyone might thinking name I have given guest, it should have printed. No, it is default argument. Okay, default argument. Now if I say that greet, if I call it like this means here you can see hello guest. Okay, first whenever if a user does not give anything means in function we have stored a default parameter or argument, you can say, where we just have stored that name will be guest default. If a person whenever is calling a function, if he does not give anything means we will say that function is assuming a default argument where it is name guest. Okay, let me run both and see how it works. See, first it says hello Alisa, next it says guest. In one we have given a default argument like Alisa, we have given argument Alisa, and next we have not give any argument, but also it is taking the name as guest because in the function parameter we have given already a guest. Okay, in this manner this was about default argument. Default arguments, and here we are studied about arguments and about return. Okay, still in return I had not said about that thing. For that when I will be handling, you will be here we are studied about parameters. Okay, we studied about parameter and whatever the other things. All understood, I think so. No. Okay, now default arguments. Now what are keyword arguments? Okay, passed in any order using their parameter names. What I'm saying, the arguments whenever you are being passing, they can be passed in any order using their parameter names. Okay, see here. Now next topic we are saying Okay, def is a function, and here I will say print info. There we go. And here let me take a name and age parameters, and we will print name and age. Okay, we will print the name comma age. Okay, how keyword argument works you will understand now. See, print info, I will say age equal to 25 comma and name equal to Rahul. This would be suitable, and if I run, see here, name is Rahul, age is 25. What are keyword arguments? Okay, arguments that can be passed in any order using parameters names. Okay, what are keyword arguments? Okay, everyone is saying this. Arguments that can be passed in any order. Arguments that can be passed in any order. Okay, using their parameters name. Using their parameters name. Okay, there will be some typo errors. Just correct it yourself. Okay, what does the keyword argument statement says? Arguments that can be passed in any order using their parameter names. Okay, here what are the parameters? Name and age. Here what are the arguments are? Age and name. I can send in any order. Okay, I can send age equal to 25. That parameter I am using, I am sending it like this. Keywords. Key. Age is nothing but like a key, where name is nothing but like a key, where we are using the parameters names only. Okay, now if I want nothing, a equal to this and b equal to this, what will happen? See, here it says that print function a b equal to print info got an unaccepted keyword argument a and b. That only if I say here a and b, and here also while printing a and b, now it might work. Okay, it is working 25 round. Okay, in this manner the keyword arguments work. Whatever the parameters you are giving now, you can use it as a key and you can send anything. Okay, what's the occur? I don't want like this. If you want to just send like this also means, what will happen? It will run. Okay, it takes as 25 as a default into this, and it will take. But whatever the concept I am saying, that is not working. Okay, so we go back to this and we will run, and we will say first name, and first only see one more thing. First I have given age, then I have given name. So it is that saying that can be passed in any order using their parameters name. Whatever the arguments are there, we can be passed in any order. As the order is name and age first, but whatever arguments I have passed, first I have passed the age, then I have passed the name. Okay, this was all about the keyword arguments. Hope everyone understood about the keyword arguments. Okay, slightly a little bit advanced topic. If you understand, it is okay. If you does not understand, I will come back to this topic and we will be studying thoroughly. Okay, recursion we will be saying for this. Okay, there are some typo errors. Okay, please correct it. If anything is wrong, yes, please you can comment down and say me what has gone wrong. What is recursion? Recursion is nothing but when a function calls itself. It is useful for solving problems like factorial, Fibonacci sequence. Okay, let me run and show you one small factorial where we accept a parameter n, and we say that if n equal to 1 means we will say return 1. Okay, else we will say we will return the function as n into factorial n minus 1. Okay, and we will print, okay, print factorial for 5. How it works? If small syntax error. See, first let me uncomment this one. It is little bit bothering. See here, factorial of 5 is 20. What is factorial? Everyone know about this. I don't go much detail about what is factorial. How the function is working. See here, first I had given a function name factorial and I taken a parameter. Parameter means it's a number where whatever I am giving. I told in factorial if n equal to 1 means it will return as 1. Okay, and n whatever the 5 that will go into factorial function, and 5 minus 1, 5 into 4, first it will become how the tracing. Whenever if you don't understand any problem we have to trace. Okay, first it will come 5, then 5 into 5 minus 1, it will be 4. Okay, 5 minus 1, 4, then this result is what? 5 4s are 20. Okay, 28 comes, then 20 into next 20 into what it will come? 20 into 4 minus 1, 3. 23 is okay, 3 2s are 12. Sorry, 3 is 16. Okay, it will come 60, then 60 into 2, then whatever. In this way, 5 4 3 2 1. In this manner it will be reducing going on. Okay, when it will be going on we will get the last output. I told the function which itself. Okay, where a function call itself. It's every time we will be giving some base conditions in recursion. That is very much important. When n is equal to 1 means it will return of 1. Okay, it came to 5 4 3 2 1. When 1 it comes means it will come as it will return of 1. Otherwise it will return into this factorial function, and recursively function will be calling till that number becomes 1 and to return it as 1. Okay, in a small and in a systematic way I had told about the recursion. Now further we will be going on deeply how the recursion works and how it will work. Okay, every time the best practices of a function are nothing but we have to keep a function small, and the useful names, meaningful and useful names should be given to the functions, and external variables we have to not put, and we have to comment your code. Means we have to commit the code whenever useful it is there. For our understanding we have to comment the code and we have to write the things. If you understand it well, means we have to write a comment there what this code is saying. This is very much important for your understanding. Okay, one small problem I will be see. Let us square a number. Okay, square the number. Okay, square number. Okay, what number I will be taking on, and I will say result equal to number into 2 power of 2, and I will say return result, and I will say square number of 5 square 10. Okay, print. It says number, sorry, I should go, yeah, working. See here, I'm going to comment it and run it. See here, now the result print is coming 25. Okay, in this manner the square of the numbers we can do. What is double star? So the double star is nothing but it is a power. This 5 will come here, it will come here, and it will raise to 2. 5 into 5 square. What it is? 5 is 25. Then it will come to store and result variable, and return will result in things. Okay, in this manner, this was all about the functions. Hope everyone understood about the function. And next in functions, what are scopes? We will be going through that, and closures also we will be going through, and we will be studying, and lot more problems we have to do